guys, welcome back to this Cookworks. It's only 54 days before Christmas. Now I'll be cooking for you our 9th menu on our Christmas cooking series. Our special pepperoni pizza. Okay, here are the ingredients. 3/4 cup of warm water, 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We will be needing mozzarella cheese, okay, pineapple chunks, red bell pepper, of course pepperoni, and then jumbo size or big size of chicken hot dog. There. 1 tablespoon of oil or butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Of course, we will be needing extra oil later on. We'll sprinkle some all-purpose flour into our kneading area. And then knead this for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure it's properly folded. Let's make sure we will form it into a ball-like there to form a dough. On the same bowl that we used a while ago, we will brush with an oil, and then we'll put on the dough. Okay, we'll cover this. Okay, and then let's sit for about 1.5 to 2 hours. Okay, we'll have to make sure that our dough will be doubled in size. Okay, we'll back to you later on. Okay, guys, our dough is already blue. Now let's prepare the pizza pan. Let's just coat with a lot of oil. Okay, then let's put our dough into the center and just push it on the edge of the pan. Just put the hot dog on the side. There. Then, okay, let's roll that. There, make sure this is already sealed before cutting, okay? Now it's time for us to cut into 3 pieces. Okay, let's cut the hot dog. There. Then, don't forget to make a punch. And then, let's put on a small hole. Okay, don't forget it. Just twist the hot dog. Okay. And then, let's put on the pizza sauce. Okay. I forgot to tell it a while ago, but we also need that, okay? There. Okay. There you go, guys. Okay, let's now add. Now, guys, let's add our shredded mozzarella cheese. There. Now, guys, let's add our pepperoni. By the way, guys, you may add any meat that you want. Let's also add pineapple chunks for added flavor. Then also, we will top it with red bell pepper. There, we will bake this for about 12 to 14 minutes on our preheated oven, at least 350 Fahrenheit, okay? Now guys, here's my special pepperoni pizza. Okay?